Whoa, he stomped that in a twist.
Whoa, corkscrew.
He boosted 10 feet out of the half pipe, man. Yo, Ed Fakey.
That's exactly what I was going to say. Want to make one? Simple to make in 4 awesome parts. A 4-part attack, dude. First, make the snowboard. For that, you're going to need a large piece of cardboard box card. Sketch your snowboard shape. Now, they have long edges, slightly curved inwards, with rounded semicircle ends like this. And when you're happy with this shape, cut it out. Next, you need to customise your snowboard by drawing a design on it. Now, it can be anything you like. It's a good idea to do a few sketches on paper first until you come up with a design that you really like. Then, get designing. This is going to be an art attack snowboard, so it's going to have splats all over it. A big one there, and maybe one over here. In fact, you could pick a theme that goes with something you like lots of footballers or maybe a logo of your favourite pop group. Looking good so far. Now you can paint your snowboard and use acrylic paint for this and use real jazzy colours to make it stand out from the crowd. I'm going to start with red. Now, acrylic paint works well for this because it goes on nice and thick and it comes in lots of bold colours. Perfect for a snowboard. And I'm going to add some white highlights to this red splat. And I'm going to paint each splat a different colour. So, nice bright yellow. And how about a vibrant blue? And to make those colours really stand out, I'm going to paint the background white. And when you finish painting, leave your board to completely dry, and then you can varnish it using PVA glue, because snowboards have really shiny surfaces, don't they? Just cover the whole thing in PVA glue. And there it is, the glue's dried and gone see-through and shiny. So that's your snowboard done. Now all you need is a gnarly snowboarder. Take a large piece of black paper or card and using a white pencil, draw a simple sketch of the silhouette of a snowboarder. So there's his head, and his arm, and another arm. And the more dynamic the pose, the better. And this angular type of drawing will make the whole thing look really stylised and cool. See that? Lots of movement there. And when you finish your drawing, cut it out. Once you've cut out your snowboarder, you need to give him his snowboard to catch some air and simply sticky tack them to your wall. And there you have it. Awesome. And you can do any design you like. How about this cool skull and crossbones? Or this Union Jack? Or how about this one, using a spider's web as the design? Or how about going flowery? Try it yourself. Design your own snowboard.